Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Wishpond account detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Wishpond account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Wishpond website URL and hit enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On this page, look for the Forgot Your Password link underneath the login fields. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate the reset process. You will be directed to a new page asking for the email associated with your account. Enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for a message from Wishpond. If you do not see the email in your inbox, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click on the password reset link within the email. This will take you to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter a new password in the designated field. Make sure your new password meets any specified security requirements. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. After entering your passwords, click on the Reset Password button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the Wishpond login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. You are now successfully logged into your Wishpond account with the new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.